Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another new which is how to segregate the text and the alphanumeric values into a different columns. So this one we are going to see it in a Power Query editor. Let's get into the video. So here I have a text and the alphanumeric values. Now I'm switching to Power Query editor which is by using a data tag. So from table array, just click over here. It will route us to Power Query editor. You are able to see the create tab is opened over here. Just press OK. If you see, the same Excel data got loaded into Power Query edit. Now I'm doing the thing whatever the separation in Power Query edit. For that, just select any of the column. Go to add column. So here you are able to see column from example. Click over here. This is from selection. Here you are able to see there is a dialog box open. Add column from example. So now here I'm typing as a ABC. Let's see how it loads the data. Suppose that enter it. So if you see that all columns got loaded with the data as well as alphanumerics. But what I'm looking is only the text. So for that reason what I'm going to do is I'm selecting this column and giving us only text details which is ATT. Let's see how the function was taken over here. So if you refer in this column, only text got added here. Now I want to add another column also, same way. So for that, what I'm going to do is just OK. Again, go to add column option, pick on a columns from example, select it, any of the cell and select as from selection. So here what we'll do is we'll type it as a 1, 2, 3, the text related information, press enter. So it is taking all the values, the 3 reference numbers, but I was looking only the text, alphanumeric numbers. So for that reason what I'm going to do is, here I am entering as 789 so that it will give me the data related to numbers value. So this is the text and this column is the alphanumeric. Press OK. So if you want to change the names, just double click over here and give the names whatever you want. So I'm giving it as a text, but this number I'm giving. Suppose that what I'm doing is I don't want this column because already which is available in Excel. For that is selecting this column, deleting it. Just click on a remove option. So only I have the separated columns. So I'll be loading this data in Excel. How I'm loading? Going to home tab. So here you are able to see load and close. So go to close and load to. So it will route you to Excel. Suppose that it will open a import data dialog box. Here existing workbook, select it and give the column where you want the data to be present. So I'm selecting here, pressing OK. The data is generating from Power Query to Excel. So if you see the data got loaded into a different columns, whatever the text we are looking and the numbers. So I already mentioned in my previous videos also, the Power Query edit mode is completely dynamic. If you are entering in one row item, it will be refreshed and it will enter for entire sheet. So now what I'm going to do is I'm typing couple of things over here. Let's see, will it change for other column or not? We'll see. So just go to data tab. Here you have a refresh all option. You can do that one or you can do it from the right selection. Just pick on refresh all. So it will automatically refresh the entire sheet and it will update according to the requirement. So if you see the new line items, whatever we have entered also got separated. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do subscribe, click on a bell icon for more videos.